Okay, this is for Toby. Maybe he's gonna learn one day. River flows in you by Yeruma.
So are we gonna send that to my grandma?
Yeah, they're gonna see. How about we're gonna play your duet now? So this was River Flows in You by Yeruma. And now Toby's gonna play with Miss Elsa. Duet he learned. Very much appropriate for his beautiful uniform. See, he plays baseball. Tell something, Toby.
I don't know.
Okay, how old are you?
8.
And what kind of sport you play, Toby?
Baseball.
And what is so special today, Toby? What kind of game you have today?
It's a playoff game.
And if your team win, what's gonna happen?
Then we're gonna go to another game and try to win all 3 games.
And after that, you said you're going to like nationals or something?
Yeah, so if we win all the games, or maybe if we tie it, then I don't know what's gonna happen. But if we win 3 games, we're probably gonna go to the championship.
Okay, yeah, championship. And because Toby likes play baseball, he learned this piece.
Take me out to the ball game.
Take me out to the ball game. Pretty much related to baseball, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we gonna play it?
I think it's here.
Yeah, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. can I ask you to replay? One time you played for me. It was such a strong, energetic sound. Can you play like that one more
Yeah.
time? Yeah? Okay. Ready? 1, 2. This was beautiful. So the piece is from Piano Lesson, Book 3 by Hall Leonard. And also we discussed with Toby, he asked me a good question regarding two voices and if he needs to hold tight note. And Miss Elsa explained him that song is not just a song. Why we have this, like, this note is long over another voice. What did you learn today? Can you tell?
That you don't just hold it, you have to play the note right after you play that note.
Yes, it is. But why? Because there is, besides a song itself, which is divided between two hands, right? Between left hand and right hand. There is more notes, there's more sounds. What they are? What they are? What is imitation of what? Remember we said it's probably band, like marching band,
Yeah.
right? So
There's more like sounds to it, like different sounds. Like there could be a flute in here or trumpet.
or tuba.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely.
Low notes.
So this may be flute, two flutes. This is the song. Continue the solo. Here's the voice, maybe tuba, low voice. So this is what Toby today learned, that song always imitate more than just, piano sound, different instruments also. Okay, bye. Here's the
Bye.
Toby and Miss Elsa. Bye.